friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making a yellow cake from the mix in the air fryer. So we need a yellow cake mix, oil, water, and eggs, and we also need a pan that fits inside the air fryer. So first thing I'll do is I'll spray the bottom and sides of the pan with a non-stick cooking spray, so the cake doesn't stick to it. You can also use butter, it's up to you. So just we need to make it non-stick. So because this pan is pretty small, I'm going to use not the whole mix, but I'm just use 2 cups of that mix. So I'll scale the recipe down to work for a smaller portion. So first I'll crack 2 eggs in a bowl. And I'll whisk the eggs. And now I'm going to add half a cup of water. So it's already pre-measured, half a cup. And I'm going to add 1/4 of cup of oil. So this is vegetable oil, 1/4 cup. And now let's mix it until combined. And I'm going to open the yellow cake mix. So here's 1 cup. And 2 cups. So 2 cups of cake mix, and now let's mix it until combined. So now let's transfer the cake batter into a pan. Actually, an easier way to do it, I'll first put the pan in the air fryer. So I'll put the pan in the air fryer first, and then I'll transfer the batter into the pan. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 30 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the cake. Look at this yellow cake. It's perfectly cooked. Now I'm just going to pierce it with a toothpick just to make sure that it's cooked. So just pierce in the thickest part and make sure the toothpick comes out clean. So it's ready. Now if yours is not cooked through, just put it back in the air fryer at 320 Fahrenheit for an additional 5 minutes. So now I'm just going to leave it here to cool down for about 10 minutes until it's cool enough to handle, and then I'll slice it. Now it's been about 10 minutes, so this pan has cooled down. So let me take the cake out of the pan. This is a springform pan, so I can just release it. Perfect. Look at this delicious cake. And now let me just cut a slice. Perfect. Look at this perfectly cooked cake. It looks so moist and delicious. Amazing texture. I'm so excited about trying this air fryer cake. Let's try it. So tender and sweet. It's so delicious. You're going to love baking cake in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!